guys, welcome back to another video. And yes, this is my voice review. And yeah, because I got a new mic. And this is my phone version of Aaraf Code Studio. And I'm just gonna review it. But I haven't, and I'm so sorry that I couldn't post for the past 7 days. And that is because I had a tradition that I needed to celebrate, and I got a new headphone and a new mic. But let's, but yes, now let's run the project. And this is only the sign up and login window that, and I'm using Kivy, and so yeah, but in the text boxes there can be only one line. For example, I'm gonna write my last name. Okay, enter and submit. And for the email, I'm just gonna do like this. And if I submit, it will say your name is the name you put, and your email is the email that you put. And this is why I'm using Kivy. And the only reason I'm using Kivy is because it uses Python, and I'm most similar. Like I mostly know all about Python because I literally made the code editor in Python. So, and if you resize it, it will still look like it is freshly made. Like, for example, an iPhone, I could scale it like this, place it in the middle, and do this. So it will kind of look like this in iPhone, but don't worry, this will still fit in the box. And yeah, but anyways, peace.